The following message has given request of the Canada government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a new virus is spreading everywhere in Canada. This virus is not the one of COVID-19. I repeat, this is not COVID-19. The virus is infecting people by its path. Symptoms is unknown as time. Stay tuned for more. We interrupt your normal program. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. The following message has been translated of the Civil Office and Defense. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 12 p.m. midnight time, the virus has been identified as the gamer disease. The symptoms of the virus you can have is rashes over your body, sweating so badly, heart goes insane, jaw gets stuck into you, and sudden death. It said there is 2,000 people got the virus and suffered the symptoms to it. This is a lockdown emergency. Get your homes now to never get the virus. We announce if everything is gone. Stay tuned for more. Breaking news, 10,000 people have been infected, and rising up from the dead with yellow skin, golden headphones, and a blue Roblox shirt, turning into someone that is the name of Gamer Donator 2022, the scientist who is unknown at this time. Oh, we have some another breaking news. A tall robot figure is standing ready to fight in downtown Canada. I think it's battling the virus. I think it's gonna fight with it. News viewers, if you're living in Canada downtown, get out while you still can. The fight of the virus will begin in the next 2 hours. Evacuate now. I repeat, evacuate now. Escape to United States, and never return to Canada with the fight zone. If you're in a safe zone, you're safe. If you're in a fight zone, I will repeat for the final time, get out of the fight zone immediately. I will announce in United States Emergency Alert System room. I be in United States for 1 hour. Get out while you still can. Interrupted your normal programming. This is a national emergency. More details will follow. The following message has translated of the request of the Canadian government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the giant robot is now identified as the Black Robot. The Black Robot is 100,000 meters above ground. He is the size of the New York Tower and Japan Tower. The fight of the virus will begin at 30 minutes. Please, get out of Canada immediately. If the time's up, there is no evacuate in Canada. 50 million people have fled the country and gone to United States. The fight will happen in the next 10 minutes. Get out while you still can. I repeat, get out while you still can. For the last time, get out while you still can. All clear message. The following message has translated request of the United States government. All clear. I repeat, all clear. The virus has been blasted at the Black Robot. The virus was screaming loudly, and he turned into a yellow goo, and heated up and died. All thanks to the Black Robot. He saved Canada and the world. What a hero he is. We now resume to our normal program. We interrupt our normal program. This is the final emergency. More details will follow. The following message has translated request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the end is near everyone. We're doomed. The Black Robot, the hero, has died of the virus. There is nothing you can do to save yourself. Gather your friends and family to prepare for the end. This is me, Tom, signing off with our national anthem. Goodbye, and I will see you in the afterlife.